Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss important topics for UPSC Prelims 2020. Right friends? So here you can get the important topics for UPSC Prelims 2020. Right? So next we see further. So these are few details about me. So you can go through it. Next, you can join our Telegram channel, friends, right, for various initiatives. And these are few my details of offline classes. So we see further. So today's our important topics are. So make sure that you are making a note of this and you are preparing whatever the source you want to follow. You may follow, friends, right? So but make sure that you are preparing these topics from each and every angle, friends, right? So now let me start this. First thing is school education quality report. School education quality report, right friends? Second is ROP Act 1951, that is Representation of People's Act of 1951. Third one is Niti Aayog, right? Next is Singapore India Hackathon 2019, right friends? Singapore India Hackathon 2019. Next topic is Armed Forces Tribunal. Armed Forces Tribunal. Next, Block Development Council, right? So read about Block Development Council. Next topic is CAD, that is Current Account Deficit. Read about Current Account Deficit. What are the government initiatives are taken to decrease the current account deficit, right friends? Next, go through about Nobel Prize, right? Sorry, Nobel, Nobel Prize in Physics, Economics, especially, right friends? These two you have to cover precisely. Next, we move for the theoretical discoveries in physical cosmologies. So theoretical cosmology, right? So read about the theoretical discoveries in physical cosmology. Next comes to Global Competitiveness Index. Global Competitiveness Index. Next topic is physical disposable rules. Sorry, plastic disposable rules. Right? Plastic disposable rules. This question has been came in 2019 as well. So please make sure that you are covering this topic as well, friends. Right? Next, we see about artificial ponds. Read about artificial ponds. Read about all schedules, right friends? That is from polity. This topic is from polity, that is there are total 12 schedules, so go through it, right? Next, look at the regions of Hindu Kush and various other mountains in the North India, right? Next, you should be prepared for locations from north to south, east to west, right? So these are all locations you need to cover. Next, we see here National Water Policy. National Water Policy. Next, River Basin Organization. What does the River Basin Organization, for what purpose it has been organized, what purpose it has been created? Make sure that you are went through this topic. Next, Ease of Doing Business Report. Ease of Doing Business Report. Read about the India Mobile Congress, the event which is organized in India, that is India Mobile Congress. So make sure that you are covering this topic as well, friends, right? So next we see about Brand Finance Nation Ranking, right friends? So that is Brand Finance Nation Ranking. Brand Finance Nation Ranking. Next comes Sahyadri app. Sayatri app, right? So for what purpose this app has been launched by the government? So make sure that you are covering this topic as well, friends. Next we see about World Mental Health Day. World Mental Health Day, right? So World Mental Health Day. Next, read about WWF, that is Worldwide Fund. Next, read about Ganga River Dolphin Census, friends, right? Ganga River Dolphin Census. Read about this census, it is very much important, friends, right? So the question regarding the dolphins has been came in 2019, so might be the chances are high, friends, right? So next we see about the topic of Nobel Peace Prize. Nobel Peace Prize, right? So next we see about the award, that is Indira Gandhi Award. For what purpose it has been given? Indira Gandhi Award, right? Next topic is M Haryali, what this initiative is and what purpose it is. So go through it. Next, read about the Carnatic music. Read about Carnatic music. Next, cover the topic of Chalukyan kings. Chalukyan king. Next, go through the topic of RTI, that is Right to Information and Right to Information Amendment Bill 2019 as well. What are the changes they are trying to do, right? So go through it. Next is Andaman Tourism Award. Andaman Tourism Award. Next, read about various military exercises. Read about various military exercises, right? Next topic is the mobile internet speeds globally ranking. So internet speed globally ranking, friends. These rankings should be read this year, friends, because it is most important, because there are very much internet shutdowns in many parts of the country. So please go through it. That is, once again I'll repeat this topic name, that is the mobile internet speeds globally ranking, right, friends? Next we see some other, that is Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Dada Saheb Phalke Icon Award, right, friends? Next we see human animal conflict, and what are the committees and what are the recommendations it has been taken, what are the government steps it has been taken. Read any report if it is available regarding this topic, right? So next we see about linking between water and metabolism, right, friends? Linking between oxygen and metabolism. I'm so sorry for this. What is the link between oxygen and metabolism? So how it works? So read about this, friends. There might be a highest chances to get such kind of questions in your UPSC prelims. Next, read about 51 Pegasi. So what does it mean? What do you understand by the term 51 Pegasi? Such kind of questions very much you can see frequently in your UPSC prelims, friends, right? So next we see about cosmic microwave background, right? So cosmic microwave background. Next we see about read about typhoid and read its report, read its status in India. Next, read about Quilombolas, 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 right, friends? So even I am telling the spellings as well, because you should not miss even a single topic, friends, for your examinations, right? So you should clear exam this year, right? If someone is trying for years and years, so please make sure that you are covering all these topics. Next, read about World Bank. Next, read about the Railways Act of 1989. Railways Act of 1989, right? So next thing is Vande Bharat Express. Vande Bharat Express, right? Next is base erosion, profit shifting, base erosion and profit shifting, right, friends? So next topic is read about G24. What do you understand by G24 and which are the other countries which are included in G24? Next, read about Typhoon Hagibis. Typhoon Hagibis, that is Hagibis, right, friends? Next, read about borders of the Syria. Read about the borders of the Syria. Read about FASTag. This thing I have mentioned in early videos itself. FASTag. Next is Gujarat new port policy. So read about Gujarat's new port policy and read about India's port policy as well. Next, global hunger index. Global hunger index. Next, World Economic Outlook, friends. World Economic Outlook report. Next, South Asian Economic Policies Network Survey, right, friend? South Asian Economic Policies Network Survey. This is a survey, so you should cover what are the outcomes of this survey. So please make sure that you are covering this topic as well, friends, right? Next, Booker's Prize. Read about Booker's Prize. Next, Food Safety and Mitra Scheme. Cover the topic of food safety and Mitra Scheme, right? So next we see further here what are the other topics to cover, right? So next topic is Chinani Nashri Tunnel, right? Chinani Nashri Tunnel. Next topic is World Giving Index. World Giving Index. Cover this all indexes and surveys, friends, right? Next topic is minor forest produce. What do you understand by the minor forest produce, right? So next topic is educational right movement, right? Educational right movement. Next topic we'll see, that is livestock census. Livestock census. Next topic is Mount Kilimanjaro, and read about the surrounding topics as well, friends, right? Mount Kilimanjaro. Next topic is Nobel Peace Prize in Economics. This I have said you earlier itself. Next, see the locations of Gyongla, right? Gyongla, that is Gyongla, right, friends? Next is Billafond La, Billafond, Billafond La. Next is Siala, Siala, right, friends? Make sure that you are covering these locations as well. Next, see report of NCRB, that is National Crime Record Bureau. Next, read about BrahMos and what are the important terms which are mentioned in it, right? Technical terms. So next we see about the coastal DEM. So what do you understand by the Coastal DEM, just a second friends, let me, coastal DEM, what does it mean, what do you understand by it, right friends? Next, Competition Commission of India, Competition Commission of India. Next, what do you understand by the inner line permit, in how many states it is needed to visit? So for example, if you want to visit from Telangana or from Delhi or from Gujarat to some northeastern states, so how many states you need to cover, and what kind of permission you need to visit the inner line permit areas, right friends? In how many states it was active. Next, mountain gorilla, so read about this mountain gorillas. Next is national pension scheme, right friends? Read about the national pension schemes, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video friends. So please do like, share and subscribe this video, and let me know in the comment sections what are the problems you are facing with this kind of video friends, right? So thank you very much, have a great day.